Today we will study about the structure of chromosomes. Today I am going to give you a vivid idea about chromosomal structure. First of all, what do you mean by the term chromosome? What is a chromosome? We should split this word into chroma, which means color, and soma, which means body. So that word chromosome means colored bodies. Basically, chromosome means colored bodies. As chroma means color and soma means body, so colored bodies. And what is the perfect definition of chromosome? Chromosomes are self-replicating, rod-shaped, deeply stained, structures which become visible in the nucleus either at mitosis or meiosis. They help in carrying hereditary informations from parents to the offsprings. So we have got an idea about the definition of chromosome and what does chromosome mean. So again I am repeating, chromosome means colored bodies, as it has come from the terms chroma and soma. Chroma means color and soma means body. So chromosome means colored bodies. So chromosomes are self-replicating, rod-shaped, deeply stained structures which become visible in the nucleus either at mitosis or meiosis. They help in carrying hereditary informations from parents to the offsprings. Now, another question is coming, that why are chromosomes called hereditary vehicles? Why they are called hereditary vehicles? As chromosomes carry the hereditary material or the genetic information. What is this hereditary material? The hereditary material is nothing but gene through successive generations when the cell divide. Hence they are called hereditary vehicles. So write down that chromosomes carry the hereditary materials or the genetic information that is the gene through successive generations when the cells divide. Hence, they are called hereditary vehicles. Now coming to the two terms, haploid and diploid. What does the term haploid means? Haploid means single set of chromosome, and it is represented as N. And diploid, as the name suggests, di means 2, so it will be represented by 2N, that is 2 sets of chromosomes. So haploid and diploid. Haploid means somatic cells having single set of chromosome. And it is represented as N. Diploid means somatic cells containing 2 sets of chromosomes. And you all know that human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in their somatic cells. That is, 23 pairs means 46 chromosomes in total. And as gametes are haploid, so they will contain 23 chromosomes. Always note that gametes will not contain 23 pairs of chromosome. It will only contain 23 chromosomes, that because gametes are haploid. So write down, human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in their somatic cells, that is 46 chromosomes. Gametes contain 23 chromosomes, that is gametes are haploid, or you can write gametes contain 23 chromosomes as they are haploid. Next we are coming to the morphology of chromosome. That means what are the structures that we can see inside a typical chromosome. Coming to morphology of chromosome. Basically, a chromosome consists of 4 structures, namely chromatid, centromere, secondary construction and telomere. Chromatid, centromere, secondary construction and telomere. These are the structures present in a chromosome. Now one by one we are going to discuss. What do you mean by the term chromatid? What is chromatid? Chromatid is nothing but one of the 2 identical halves of a chromosome. So what is chromatid? One of the 2 identical halves of a chromosome. Then what is centromere? Centromere is also known as the primary constriction. Centromere is the point of attachment of chromatin. It is the point of attachment of chromatin, also called primary constriction. It helps the chromosome to attach to the spindle fibers during cell division. So this is the main function of centromere, that it helps the chromosome to attach to the spindle fiber during cell division. And when we will study about cell division, there are more points about centromere. So next, coming to secondary constriction. Next is secondary constriction. What is the secondary constriction? The constricted portion of a chromosome other than the primary constriction. It is nothing but the constricted or the narrower portion of chromosome other than the primary constriction or the centromere. How does it look like? It looks like this. Suppose these are the chromatids. This is the secondary constriction. That means these two are the constricted or narrower portion of chromosome. Next, coming to what is telomere? The terminal portion of a chromosome is known as the telomere. The terminal portion of a chromosome is the telomere. So we are clear about the different structures present inside a chromosome and how do the structures look like. All these structures look like this. Suppose these are the chromatids. These two, that means one of the two identical halves of the chromosome are called chromatids. We have studied this. So these two are the chromatids. This is the centromere, that is the point of attachment, and this is the terminal portion known as the telomere. And another portion is left from this part, that is the types of chromosome based on centromere position. Based on centromere position, types of chromosome. Basically there will be 4 types, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Telocentric, acrocentric, submetacentric, and the last is the metacentric. What is telocentric? As the name suggests, chromosome or rather centromere at terminal position. Centromere at terminal position. And how does this look like? It looks like this. The terminal positions. Centromere at the terminal position. Then acrocentric, that means subterminal centromere. Telocentric means terminal position, centromere is situated, and acrocentric means subterminal centromere. Are you getting? These terms are very important. It can come in your exams. It looks like this. Subterminal centromere. Okay, and submetacentric looks like L-shaped with centromere slightly away from midpoint. And how does it look like? It looks like this. And what is metacentric? It is a V-shaped structure or V-shaped centromere in the middle of chromosome. As the name suggests, meta means middle of chromosome. So like this. So we are done with this part. If you study all these structures, you will be cleared.